Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, teman-teman. Pagi hari ini saya berada di Desa Sosial Kecamatan Paguyaman, Kabupaten Boalemo, Provinsi Gorontalo. Tepatnya di acara launching perdana kolam renang yang ada di Desa Sosial. Untuk itu kita ikuti terus video di pagi hari ini, serangkaian pelaksanaan launching kolam renang Desa Sosial. Oke, ikuti terus. Inilah kolam renang Desa Sosial Kecamatan Paguyaman, Kabupaten Boalemo yang akan di launching.
Grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. اللهم صل وسلم على سيدنا محمد وعبد الآمين أشرف المخلوق أكرم أكرم سلس الملك الرشيد الدنيا دين. اللهم صل وسلم على سيدنا محمد أشرف الملك المكرم ملك نصرة الأسرافين. اللهم صل وسلم على سيدنا محمد أشرف الشالين. اللهم صل وسلم على سيدنا محمد أشرف الشافعين. اللهم صل وسلم على سيدنا محمد أجمل المعجبين. اللهم صل وسلم على سيدنا محمد الحامق من آل العادلين. اللهم صل وسلم على سيدنا محمد عالم الخالق أسلم الشارع عالم العالم أسلم الساجين أسلم مالك أسلم القائلين.
Oke, luar biasa, sangat indah suasananya.